Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it.
And I know just what you want.
Every second, every minute.
And I know just what you want. They say conversation, rule a nation, I can tell.
Every second, every minute.
Dedicated to you and
Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room perfume.
DJ
TOOWUN.
I remember back in the day when I had my first crush. I never felt a better feeling, wanting someone so much that I could write a new song every day just to say how I feel. And I'll never forget that one moment you said, "Is this love that I'm feeling? Can I trust you with my heart? Do you feel what I feel for you? And if your heart is ready, then baby, will you let me love you?"
every time I write these words, they become a taboo. Making sure my punctuation curve, heavy letter hits true. Living my life in the margin, and that metaphor was proof. I'm talking poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just a verb, it's you looking in the mirror. Love is not just a verb, it's you looking for it, maybe. Call me crazy, we can both be insane. A fatal attraction is common, and what we have common is pain. I mean, you need to hear this. Love is not just a verb, and I can see power steering. Sex drive when you swerve, I want that interference. It's coherent, I can hear it. That's your heartbeat, it either caught me or it caught me. Read slow and you'll find gold mines in these lines. Sincerely, yours truly. And right before you go blind, P.S. P.S. P.S.
Is this love? Is that I'm feeling? That I am feeling? I trust you with my heart. Do you feel what I feel for you? And if your heart is ready, then baby, will you let me let me? Girl, I wanna love you, it's all I wanna do. Girl, you know I'm only here for you. There's no rush, no need to rush into the things we need. My baby, let love, we will take our place. I promise to never let you go.